A former domestic help who for 7 years allegedly suffered unspeakable abuse from her employers in Mindoro Occidental finally told her woeful tale in today's Senate hearing. And the Senate panel wasted no time to gang up on the barangay captain who they felt aided and abetted in the abuse that ultimately led to her blindness. Daniel Manalastas returns.
Elvie Vergara, a former housemaid who was allegedly maltreated by her employers, narrated to the senators the abuse and sufferings she went through. It was in 2020 when she went through mental and physical abuses from her employers.
Hindi kayo pinatingnan sa doktor, hindi kayo...
Po.
Yung mga ngipin po, doon sa kanilang kamay din po,
Opo.
nangyari po yan.
Opo, sa babae po.
Tapos ang nabasa ko, sinabit kayo doon sa sabitan ng karne.
Opo, totoo po yun.
Bakit magkakarne ba ho sila? May freezer? Ano ba hong meron sila?
Mayroon.
Pahanap buhay nila?
Opo, nakakatay po sila ng babo.
May mga balita pa na pinaguhubad kayo, pinagsasayaw.
Opo, totoo po yun.
Vergara claimed her cell phone was confiscated. That's why she was not able to report her woes to the police or even call her relatives. She also claimed she was not paid for a number of years. She was able to tell the barangay officials what she went through, but senators wonder how her employers got wind of her whereabouts.
Basta po siya madungis po, yun po ang akala ko po ay naligaw na taong grasa. So yung pong utos ko sa tanod po ay linisan po si Nanay LB. Tapos hindi pa po siya, sinasabi ko pa pong ganon, dumating na po yung amo niya, na si Mr. Ruiz.
Dumating yung amo niya o tinawagan mo yung amo niya?
Hindi po, sir.
Dito sa salaysay nung ni Aling LV, tinawagan mo yung amo niya na si Jerry Ruiz.
Hindi ko po
At sinumbong mo na nandun si Aling LV sa barangay hall.
Napakasinungaling mong tao ka, sarap mong... Anong reason para siya magsinungaling? Hindi ikaw may dahilan ka para magsinungaling kasi tumawag ka sa amo tapos for all we know, baka bayad ka sa amo, baka sinuhulang ka ng amo.
The barangay captain continued to deny claims, but senators said he should have reported the incident to the police or brought LV to a doctor to have her checked.
Ang ginawa mo, sinurrender mo siya uli sa amo, napakawalang hiya mo.
Sir, excuse po sir, hindi ko po isinorender po yan at lalong hindi po ako tumawag sa amo niya.
Chairman, hindi mo ginawa yung trabaho mo. Dapat kasi tinanong mo din siya kung ano po ba ang sitwasyon, ba't kayo nandito sa barangay. Natural yun eh. Yun ang una mo dapat ginawa, Chairman. Huwag mo akong ganun-ganun na sa tenga. Maniwala ka sa akin.
The senators also asked the barangay chief if he is seeking re-election in the upcoming elections.
Ano na?
Huwag niyo iboto to.
Hindi ka naman nanalo.
Bakit ang tawag mo kay Jerry, sir?
Ay, yun lang po ang tawag na, Sir Jerry, dahil yung po ang...
O matagal mo na kilala?
Hindi po. Hindi, yun po, makilala po namin na may tindahan siya.
Kaya nga, bakit sir? Di ba dapat Jerry lang o ano? Bakit may sir?
Yun lang po na sabi ko, Mr. Senator po.
Daniel Manalastas for The Nation.